Hello food lovers, welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to make Kadai Paneer. I'll make it as delicious as we eat in any restaurant but in lesser oil. I hope you like my recipe. So let the chemistry of spices begin. Let's take a note of the ingredients that we are going to need. I have taken 250 grams of paneer cottage cheese cut into cubes, 1 capsicum cut into small pieces, 3 medium-sized onions. First cut each onion into 8 big pieces. From each big piece, separate the upper bigger layer for frying with 2 slits of green chilies. Smaller pieces of onions will be used for making gravy. 5 to 6 cloves of garlic peeled and washed, 1 inch of ginger peeled, 2 green chilies for gravy. If you use red chili powder, then take 1 chili, or if you like more spicy, then just go with 2. 12 to 15 roasted cashews, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, and fresh coriander leaves for garnish. 1 tablespoon dry fenugreek leaves, 1 teaspoon fresh cream, 2 tablespoon curd, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon sugar, 2.5 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon Asafoetida. First I am going to saute paneer and then capsicum with onions and slit chilies. Our delicious Kadai Paneer is ready. It can be served with naan, parathas, chapati or jeera rice. Please try it out and let me know your comments. If you liked my recipe, give me a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe.